Good day, everyone. Today in biology, we'll be discussing about organization of life. Without wasting much of our time, I would like to define cell. Cell can be defined as the smallest unit of life made up of unicellular and multicellular organisms. Examples of those unicellular organisms are Euglena, Paramecium, Plasmodium, and the most famous one, Amoeba. These are the four major examples of unicellular organisms. We have some major examples of cells that are found in plants. One of them is your xylem vessel and your phylum tissue, your phylum cell, sorry for the mistake, and your phylum cell. Now we have some major cells found in animals, which is your rod and cone cells of the eyes, your red blood cells, white blood cells, sperm cells, egg cells, etc. These are some of the cells found in animals. We move on to tissue. Now, tissue can be defined as group of related cells that come together to achieve one motive, to achieve one goal, to achieve one purpose, to perform one task. This is what is called a tissue. When group of the same cells come together to perform one task, that is what is called your tissue. Now we have some examples of tissues found in plants. One of them is your mesophyll layer in your leaves. We have the sclerenchyma tissue. We have your xylem tissue and your parenchyma tissue found in the stem. We also have some examples of tissues found in animals, which is your muscle tissue, your bone tissue, your cartilage. We also have some organisms that exist as tissues. One of them is your alga. We have your hydra. We have your sponges and fungi. These are the four major organisms that exist as tissue. Now we move down to organ. Organ can be defined as group of related tissue that come together to perform one task. This is how simple it is. Cell, smallest unit of life. Tissue, related cells that come together to achieve one goal. Organ, related tissue that come together to achieve one task. See how simple it is. We have some organs that can be found in plants, which are your leaves, your flower, roots, seed, etc. We have some organs that can be found in humans: your eye, your nose, your kidney, your ears, your skin, your heart, etc. These are some major organs that can be found in the human body. Now we move down to system. Knowing how the pattern goes, I believe by now you know what a system is. And yes, a system is defined as a group of related organs that come together to perform one task. That is what is called system in biology. Some examples of system found in plant is your shoot and your root system. This is the example of system found in plants. We also have examples found in animal: your digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, skeletal system, nervous system, excretory system, circulatory system. These are the major systems found in the human body. Now we're going to stop here for today. On your own, I would like you to read complexity of organization in higher organisms. It's very, very brief. It's not something that will take much of a time. That will conclude the subheading organization of life. In the next class, we'll discuss about classification of living things.